If you dare to hold a press conference at Asia's largest crash lab, you must have enough confidence and strength. Launched via global live broadcast, Chery Fulwin A8L conducted a large-scale test during the launch. On December 17, Chery Fulwin A8L was officially launched with a total of 5 configurations, priced at 109,900 to 149,900 yuan. In the new energy era, everyone pays special attention to safety, and Chery Fulwin A8L is a master of safety. Different from the best in 10 million marketing method of the new automaker powers, Chery Automobile has chosen a more convincing way to show its strength. At this press conference, Chery's Fengyun A8L's marketing strategy was implemented differently. The crash test was broadcast live at the launch site, more intuitively displaying the safety performance in front of users, and alleviating users' concerns about buying a car. Safety for cars cannot be overemphasized. After all, without safety, other functions of the car will be in vain. Chery Automobile's courage to broadcast the accident live is precisely because of its confidence in its own quality and originality. Fulwin A8L's high-strength steel accounts for 80% of the entire vehicle, and hot-formed steel accounts for 20.6%. Fulwin A8L's anti-collision beam, which has the strongest body structure in its class, has a class-leading 78.13% coverage area. It protects the life safety of the whole family. Fulwin A8L's beautiful appearance, large space and long battery life are also suitable for home use, and it is also a car that attracts users' attention.